Hey guys, Happy New Year! Yes, this is gonna be my first video for 2021 and we're traveling. Yes, so this year guys, every month if it's a road trip, vacation, staycation, girls trip, whatever, just do something. We already wasted enough time last year. So in this video, I will be showing you guys our room that we will be staying in Las Vegas, and it's at the Bellagio. Y'all know that hotel? Yes. Okay, so let's get right into the video. We just landed, so don't mind our luggage. We're trying to get ready so we can go out and eat. Alright, so as soon as you enter the room, there's this nice big mirror, which is good because we're gonna need that because it's all girls. FYI guys, don't forget to go ahead and tell my sister happy birthday. Her Instagram is Janelle Adri. Her birthday is on the 15th. So yeah, there's the mirror. The first door right here is the bathroom. And when you come in, there is a tub. And it looks clean, but we have our sanitize and we're gonna clean up, so that's not a problem. I kind of wanted one of the rooms where the tub is facing the other way, so I'm gonna see if we can get an upgrade. If it's not possible, then we'll settle with this, but I think there's more they can do for us. We have our counter and it's giving me rich auntie vibes. I love it. Our little drawers to store stuff. Our own air dryer, all that, glass, the toilet, and then we also have a standing shower, which is good because yeah, we're not gonna be all up in that tub because that's just nasty, especially COVID. But we have our standing shower. So basically that's it for the bathroom, the toilet, toilet paper, and of course we haven't sanitized yet, and we're gonna do that before we do anything else. So yeah. All right, so come on over into the bedroom. We got a 2 queen. That way we don't have to itch up. So we got a 2 queen. Haven't been on the bed yet just because I just got from the airport. Don't want to contaminate. But we have our little lamp, the telephone, you know, the regulars that's in a hotel. Over here, we have our closet. And it's giving me life, sweetie. Like, I cannot wait to clean up and put on the 2 robe them and just go on it nice. Yeah, so that's our closet, and like I said, we just got here, so we haven't hung anything up. We have a nice little flat screen TV she right there. So I'm not gonna show another cord. We have our drawers over here, and we need to sanitize all this. So yeah, it's pretty much empty because like I said, we just got here. Over here, our ice bucket, our glass and everything. Our mini refrigerator, by the way guys, so it's gonna be lit. Yep, she right there. So got everything that we need, and of course, you know, say if you're drinking people so me have to pay fees. Yes. I love right here, it's giving me again rich auntie, rich. So we have our little sitting area over here guys, and it's 2 of them, so the 2 we are going to sit down right there. So nice tree. I brought my laptop, so I'll be putting up this video for you guys tomorrow. So this is gonna be our little work area, so that's also good. But let me show you guys my favorite part of this room. So this is my favorite part of the room guys. Open sesame. Yes guys, it's open. So we can see all of Vegas from here. It is a whole view room. Yes, Cosmopolitan is right over there, Maria over there, MGM back over on that side. It's giving me life. The pool is right here. Again, I am gonna go back downstairs and see what they can do for us because I kind of want to be where I can see the waterworks, the fountain and all that. But if that's not possible, we'll work with this. It's a pool view and it's nice. See the mountain there, so see the sun she go set over there, so it's nice. The room is very nice. That's that, looking straight at the mountain, so the sun is gonna rise on us and set on us. I like that. like I said, I'm not very satisfied. So if you guys see a little upgrade or anything, like if we do get an upgrade, then I'll definitely be sharing that with you guys, because I'm not very satisfied with this room, especially because for my reservation, this is not what I had selected, and they are telling me they gave me an upgrade based on what I selected. This is not it, sweetie. But yep, birthday girl in the building. Yes, sir. All right. So guys, we're about to sanitize and clean up because we have to go eat right now. There's my fit. You guys will see it on Instagram, of course. Follow me at its_Chanel. So we're gonna clean up right now and go out to go get something to eat. So again, if I do change room, I'll just throw the new room in my Vegas vlog. But if not, then this is the video you guys are gonna see for my room tour, Bellagio Hotel, Las Vegas. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and look out for, I got content for y'all. See y'all later. Bye.